In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an aesthetic Google Calendar, a step-by-step guide to enhancing your productivity and organization. If you're looking to bring a splash of color and a touch of personal style to your digital scheduler, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and transform your Google Calendar into something both functional and visually appealing. First, open up Google Calendar. Once you're there, focus on the My Calendars section, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where we'll start customizing your calendars. Hover over a calendar you'd like to personalize. Next to it, you'll notice three little dots. Click on them. You'll see a palette that lets you choose from a variety of colors. Or if you prefer something more personalized, you can click on the plus sign. This will allow you to enter a specific hex code, which is great for matching exact color tones you may have in mind. Perhaps you want to highlight certain events differently. You can easily change the color of a single event. Simply right click on the event and from here select a new color that makes it stand out or align with your aesthetic choices. Creating separate calendars for different aspects of your life is another smart move. Whether it's for work, personal activities, or family events, assigning unique colors to each category is key. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also helps in visual differentiation, making your schedule easier to manage at a glance. To add more personality to your events, consider adding emojis. Start by clicking the Create button to make a new event. Fill in the usual details like the title and time. Now here's the fun part, use the emoji picker to add an icon to your event title. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Control and space together. For Windows users, you'll want to press the Windows key and period. This touch of fun can make your calendar not only more delightful to look at, but also easier to read. Once you're satisfied with your additions, don't forget to hit Save. This action ensures all your customizations are secured and ready for you to enjoy the next time you access your calendar. Finally, you might want to change your calendar's overall view to suit your preference better. Whether you like a weekly, monthly, or even a customized layout, exploring the different display options can enhance your user experience. And while the options are somewhat limited, you can experiment with Google Calendar themes to switch between darker and lighter modes, catering to your visual comfort levels. So, there you have it, a fully personalized and visually appealing Google Calendar. It's simple, effective, and now it's entirely yours. Enjoy a more organized life with a calendar that reflects your unique style.